8,000 electric circular saw.
This
vehicle is designed
for processing
large trees. The equipment has a
60-inch
circular saw
and a 7-inch
separating
cylinder. First,
the circular
mechanism cuts
the wood, and
then the logs fall
into a special
device that divides
them into 4
parts.
Some of the advantages
of this type
of vehicle are its
powerful engine,
the possibility
to drive it with
a joystick, and
its comfortable
heated cab.
VZ950.
This
elementary
crusher is equipped
with a hydraulic
transmission
and is one of the most
powerful vehicles
of this manufacturer. Thanks to the device's
modular design, operating time and
consequently
maintenance costs
are relatively
low,
while the crusher is
extremely
powerful,
efficient and reliable
in
material processing.
Very
often, these
machines are used to
process logs
as well as bodywork,
plants
and household
plastic waste. Thanks to its
track system,
the crusher can
move at a high enough
speed despite
its impressive
weight. Forced mulcher
T.A.M. 650. This wood
shredder is a new
generation
universal unit
which provides
ecologically
effective
and at the same time
fast
land cleaning,
as well as high
quality soil
cultivation. The shredder is
designed for heavy
and medium duty
and is
ideal for preparing
large
surfaces with different
plants. The coupler can be
installed on any
vehicle carrier
with an engine of
140
to 350
horsepower. It should be noted that the
shredder is able
to immerse itself
in the soil
at a depth of up
to 8 inches
to remove
the roots of
plants already
cut, and
its edge is able
to cope even
with hardwood
species.
Truck T.A.M.
F2821
reach stacker,
a special
forklift
designed to work with
containers of all
types,
weighs 75
tons
and has a load capacity
of
35 tons.
Its overall
dimensions are
30 by
14 by
13 feet,
while the huge
vehicle runs on
diesel fuel
with the help
of a large
mobile hook
with a maximum
lifting height of
21 feet.
This
vehicle can also be
used for clearing the
forest
and during construction
work of
varying degrees of
complexity. Litter
Master 9000. This vehicle
is ideal to
clean bottles,
straw,
plastic
cans, glass,
plastic
bags and other
items quickly
and with high
quality.
This equipment
makes it possible
to quickly collect
garbage after
massive sporting
and cultural
events.
The developer assures
that this vacuum
vehicle is far
superior to
conventional
gasoline-based
blowers.
Direct suction
allows cleaning an
area of approximately
7
miles in just
6 hours,
significantly
reducing the
cleaning time.
The diameter
of the suction hose
is 8 inches.
And it should
be noted that this
technical tool
is simple to use
and designed
to operate for
several years
without
requiring significant
maintenance. Valtra
N92. Here we have a
trailer sweeper
manufactured
by
by
Broadway.
with mechanical
Adjustment and
direct loading of
garbage in the
landfill compartment.
This
Technical device
has been designed to
effectively clean
clean urban roads
and pedestrian
areas of the city
as well.
as roads.
It should be
Noted that the vehicle
is compatible with
most models
of dumpers and
tractors
and is capable of
cleaning up to
0.2 tons
tons of trash
per minute.
The collection
Technology
effectively removes
removes crushed
snow
asphalt debris
and any trash
on the street.
The
Sweepers equipped
with two side
brushes with a diameter
diameter of approximately
1300
100 millimeters.
in each.
Brush
The user can adjust
the amount of hair
hair, hold,
and tilt angle
longitudinally
and transversely.
transversely.
In addition,
It
also
also
has a cylindrical
has a rear brush
with a diameter
of
of
750
millimeters,
which provides
high
high
shaft rotation
rotation speed,
and therefore
higher operating
speed.
Moti
KE3000.
3000
This new
hydraulic combine
combine is impressive
for its functionality
functionality, shape.
and design.
This pumpkin
Harvesting machine
is equipped with
a
a
huge sifting
cylinder,
composed of
semicircular,
rods which
guarantee high.
productivity
The cylinder
crushes the pumpkin
can send it
to the transporter.
water.
The conveyor in
Turn runs on
a heavy fuel
engine and
consists of a low
wear belt
with several layers
of rubber and
fabric. In the
collection compartment.
a special
The mechanism
rotates using a
hydraulic system
and allows
for quick and
trouble-free unloading.
Among
The advantages
of
of
this hydraulic
machine, it's
worth mentioning the
economical
mode of operation,
the electronic
display control,
control and the high
collection quality.
quality. Dominator
88S. This vehicle's
equipped with a
powerful cutting
device,
adjustable
discharge springs,
on hydraulic
cylinders
ensure precise
copying of the
soil relief.
This combine
Line has three
drive chains with
robust
profiles.
The Dominator has
Has a threshing machine
with a 4
50mm
diameter
cylinder and a
rotation angle
of 117
17 degrees.
This
Model's equipped with
with a mechanical
transmission,
a 160
60 horsepower,
engine and a
spacious cab.
It's worth
Noting that the owner
of this vehicle
could manually select
like the speed of
the shredder
and adjust the space
under the cylinder.
cylinder.
New Holland
T7270.
T770
This tractor
adapts
perfectly to the
changing needs of
of agriculture. It stands out for its
small size,
lightweight,
construction, and
high performance.
it should be noted
Noted that this machine
has an impressive
has a capacity of
220
28 horsepower.
and if the
Owner wants to
had a
add
forced
supercharging system,
system, the tractor
tractor can develop a
power of up to
270.
horsepower.
The excellent viewing
Wing angle makes
working on the T
7 less T.
tedious. The
Two-stage automatic
T-matic cab
suspension reduces
vibration by
25%.
as well.
The movement
So the vehicle is
controlled at all times.
by a position
Sensor located.
located on the seat.
Ground
Chainsaw. This huge
saw is a special
special suspension
unit to
drill the ground.
This vehicle
Has been designed
to work with different
types of soil
and on different
surfaces
thanks to the sharp
and teeth at the
base of the work.
piece. The
Drilling mechanism
can be easily
attached
attached
to any tool
designed for this.
job and doesn't
Doesn't cause any inconvenience
convenience when it's
moved.
If you haven't
checked Jelly
Gummy Bears channel,
yet, you should
do it right away.
You'll
Certainly like all the
funny experiments,
for the jelly bear. Ouch.
cool,
Life hacks,
awesome home,
made stuff and
exciting adventures
extras that are waiting
for you.